Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Services, MSC, to act directly on the Windows Update service. You do this because stopping the service prevents in-progress downloads and allows configuration changes. Once the Services console is open, find Windows Update, double-click and change Startup Type to Disabled, then click Stop. Do this now to halt automated activity. Make sure to run with administrator rights, otherwise Windows will block changes, and you will not be able to stop the service. Once the service is stopped, you should prevent Windows from re-enabling updates automatically. Open Task Scheduler and disable tasks in Microsoft /Windows /Update Orchestrator and Windows Update to stop scheduled triggers. Next, set your network connection to metered. Windows defers many updates on metered connections, or use group policy to configure do not include drivers with Windows updates and automatic update behavior. These measures complement disabling the service and reduce the chance Windows restarts update components without your consent. Finish by rebooting and verifying the Windows Update service remains disabled and scheduled tasks stay off. You do this to confirm persistence across restarts. If updates resume, check for third-party management tools or the Windows Update Medic service, which can repair update services. Disable Medic only if you understand the risk. If misconfiguration causes problems, revert using a system restore point or re-enable the service temporarily. Keep one troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.